natural, really. It's seems to be natural woods. Maybe it's to be part of a national park, I guess. Ain't that something? Never like palm trees. Ooh. How long can you stay somewhere like this for? Day, week, month, a year? Why go home? See, that's what you want. A boat. Bring your accommodation with you. That'll be perfect, wouldn't it? That seems remarkably flat. Sand's golden, it's quite firm. Seems more than nice. I'll swim in a bit. Yeah, so basically it's just one beach really, isn't it? A kilometre long. Beach huts. You follow this path up and around that goes to the headland. There's a tiny little cove around the corner, and that's the official northernmost tip of Borneo. There. I think there's an island just over there, uninhabited, residentially. There's a lighthouse on it, and I think pretty much straight over there is Philippines.